Hi everyone, good morning. Today we will know how to apply PF online process. PF department has issued composite claim form on non-Aadhaar base. You have to mention here your registered mobile number. The application can be made for PF withdrawal settlement, pension withdrawal benefit, PF part withdrawal. Write here your name in capital letter. Kindly mention here your 11-digit universal account number. Kindly mention here your 12-digit Aadhaar number. Here you have to mention your father name. In case of married female, you have to mention your husband name. Mention here date of birth in YY format. Here you have to mention your date of joining. Here you have to mention your date of leaving. Not required in case of part payment of PF withdrawal. Here you have to mention your PAN number, 2 copy of form 15G, 15H if applicable. Here you have to write your reason for leaving service in case of final settlement. Most of the case resign you have. In case of advance, you have to tick one of them for the purpose of PF part withdrawal. Housing loan, tick here. In this case, you have to submit a declaration form. In case of lockout or closure of factory, no document is required. In case of illness of member or family, a certificate of doctor or certificate by the employer that ESI facility is not available to the member. In case of marriage of self, son, daughter, brother, sister, tick here, no document is required. In case of post matriculation education of your child, tick here, no document is required. Natural calamity para 68L, no document is required. Cut in electricity in establishment, in this case no document is required. Advance for physically handicapped, tick here. You have to submit medical certificate to PF department. In case of 1 year before retirement, no document is required. If you want to invest in Varishta Pension Bima Yojana, you tick here. You can withdraw 90% of total PF balance. The PF balance can be transferred to LIC number is required. In case of full and final settlement, Write your bank account number, here bank your name and IFSC code. A copy of cancelled check or copy of passbook should be attached. Full postal address, here you have to mention your complete postal address or here PIN number. And sign your signature here. Signature of employer should be required here. After that, this form shall be deposited in your concerned EPFO office. Thanks for watching this video.